It is a complete course project. Please learn them in order. This is part 7, animation. Okay, now we want to animate our model. So before that, I want to clearly see on perspective view. So I want to hide my camera view. Select the perspective view and click spacebar to expand this one. So I want to hide my all Boujou data. So I will select my Boujou data, and you want to click on visibility and press 0 and enter. So that means it will be off. So now you clearly focus on your animation. So I will press 6 key to view my texture mode. So now I want to go in 25th frame. So I will select my nerve circle. So watch it clearly. So I will start my animation in 25th frame. So that means you have some timing to start. So that means 1 second. So I will start in 25th frame. So I will select my left door control and right door control and right click and choose key selector. So now I go to 40th frame, 35 frame, so 10 frames. So now I want to give 1 second, give right control and left control value to 1. So that means your door will be open. See here, it will not be keyed. So that means you want to select this both things and right click and choose key selector. Now you have to key. So before you start play this animation, so you want to right click and choose playback speed to real time. So now go to first frame, so and click play. So it will be open. So now I want to go to 42nd frame. So over here, so that means 7 frames. So now I want to give this one to 0.8. So it will come back again. So now I will select this both value and right click and choose key selector. So now I go to my 47th frame. So like this. So now I want to give up to 1. So I will select this one and right click and choose key selector. So now I want to go to 50th frame. So it will come up again. So I will give 0.9. So I will select this both value and right click and choose key selector. So now I play. See here. So now I want to give rest again. So I will go up to 53rd frame. So I will give 1 and select this both value and right click and choose key selector. So now I play. See here. So it will be nice, but I want to control that graph for this animation. So now go to window, animation editor and graph editor. So select the left door control over here and press F key. So that means it will be focused. So this is our animation will start and end. So it will start with slow, so but end with very fast. So that means I will select this key over here, drag and select this key and choose linear. So drag this center key over here and choose linear and end up with. So I will select this end key and choose linear. You want to do same thing on right door control. Select this one and press F. So it will be focused. Select this key and choose linear. Select this key and choose linear. And select the last key and choose linear. So now I play my animation. So go to first frame and click play button. So now it's very nice. So very nice to see. See here. Okay, so after it open, so I want to slide my slider control. So it will start from 65th frame like this. Now I go to 65th frame. So I will right click on my slider control and choose key selected. So that means it will start from 65th frame. So now I will go up to 7 frames, so that means 72. I will give slider to 1, so it will come up. So now right click and choose key selected, so that means our slider will up. So now I want to do again. I will go up to 76th frame over here. Now I want to rest down, sorry, little bit down. I will use 0.9 like that. So right click and choose key selected. So now I want to go up to 80th frame. So I want to give again 1. So right click on my slider control and choose key selected. So now it will be rest again. So now you want to give another little bit jerk. So you want to give up to 84th frame. So now you want to give 0.95 and press enter. Right click and choose key selected, and I go with 88th frame. So and you want to give 0, right click, sorry, you want to give to 1, right click and choose key selected. So now I want to go over here and play my animation. Okay, so now I want to control my graph for the slider control. Go to window, animation editor and graph editor. So select my slider control and press F in keyboard, focus. So now I want to do same thing for this area. So I will select this one and choose linear, and select this one and choose linear, and select this N and choose linear. So after that I want to play my animation to see what I have. So it's really cool, but I want to animate my text rotation at the end. Now we want to animate our rotation. So I will select, go to my 95th frame. So I will right click on my text rotation and choose key selected. So I will go up to 120th frame over here. So I will give 360 rotation. So that means 1 rotation. So I will right click and choose key selected. So go to window, animation editor and graph editor. So select the text rotation and press F. So see here we have the animation start from slow, end up with slow. So I want even speed. So select this 2 points over here, click and drag, and you want to give linear tangent. So that means your animation will be in even speed. So see here, it will be in even speed. So now I want to animate this one as repeat again and again. So go to window, animation editor and graph editor. So I want to repeat this animation. So I will go to text rotation. You want to only select the text rotation and go to view and choose infinity. So that means it will show your infinity. Sorry, view, you disable this one. Sorry, enable this one, infinity. So then go to curves and choose post infinity and choose cycle. So that means it will repeat the animation after the animation ends. See here, it will be animate again and again. So after it end animation, so the animation will repeat it until it reach our end frame. So now I play my animation. So I will click play button. So see here, it will open, it will slides, after it will start rotation. So you want to see it again, open, slides and rotation. So this is very awesome. After we rig, we also did animation. So in next part we want to light our scene. So that's the end of our animation part. We will see on lighting. Click the button to learn part 8, lighting and rendering.